Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Rumoni, your maths teacher. So students, I hope my videos are helping you and keep follow me because I will upload all the chapters of class 10. So yesterday we have done up to question number 8 from exercise 4.3. Today we will do question. So 9, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. Okay, two water tap together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. It is in mixed fraction. We need to make it in a proper fraction. So 9 3/8 means what? 9 3/8 means 9 into 8 plus 3 divided by 8, which is 75/8 hours. Clear? 75/8 hours. So two water tap together can fill a tank in 75/8 hours. So near about 9 point something, 9.37 hours I think. So the tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. That means to fill the tank separately, obviously the smaller one will take more time than this one. This will take less time. This step will take less time than this one. Suppose it will take X hour. If the smaller one takes X hour, then it will take X minus 10. Why? Because we know that speed and time are inversely proportional. If the speed is more, then it will take less time, and if the speed is less, then it will take more time. So that is why if it is X, so it will be X minus 10 according to question. That means if it takes suppose 15 hours, then it will take what? 15 minus 10, it will take 5 hours to fill up the tank. Then you write down, in case 1, let the time taken by the smaller pipe be X hour, and in case 2 you write down, let the time taken by the larger pipe be X minus 10 hours. In class 8 you did work time problem, where if a person can do a work in n days, then the person's 1 day work is equal to 1 by n, isn't it? So if a person can do a work in 2 days, that means his per day work will be what? 1 by 2, that means 50%. Similarly, if the water tank by the smaller pipe can be filled in X hour, that means in 1 hour it can fill what? 1 by X, isn't it? So similarly it will be 1 by X minus 10. So part of tank filled by smaller tap or pipe, you can write, in 1 hour is equal to 1 by X. Similarly, part of tank filled by larger pipe in 1 hour is equal to 1 by X minus 10. Okay. Then in the question it is given that the tank can be filled in 9 3/8, which is 75/8 hours by both the pipe together. So you write down that line, that it is given that the tank can be filled in 75/8 hours by both the pipe together. Then you write down, so therefore part of tank filled by smaller pipe in this one, you write down now 75/8. 75/8 hours equal to 1 by X into 75/8, isn't it? Which is 75/8x. Similarly, this one, part of the tank filled by the larger pipe in 75/8 hours will be equal to 75 divided by 8 into x minus 10. This one. See, now we need to make the equation. How we will make? See, suppose this part is filled up by the smaller pipe and this part is filled up by the larger pipe, and together it completes the whole tank, isn't it? Together it completes the whole tank means what? 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5. You will get 4 plus 1, this one. Together it completes the whole tank. Similarly, in 75 by 8 hours, the smaller pipe filled this one, the larger pipe filled this one, and together it completes the whole tank, isn't it? So, how we will make the equation? This plus this equal to 1. So, therefore, our equation will be this plus this together it complete the whole tank, which is 1. Now, we will solve this. Let us take 75 by 8 as common. You will get inside 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equal to 1. Now, take this to that side. 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equal to 8 by 75. Okay. Now, let us take LCM. X into x minus 10. Numerator it will be x minus 10 plus x equal to 8 by 75. Then it will be twice x minus 10 divided by x into x minus 10 equal to 8 into 8 by 75. 8 by 75. Then do cross multiplication. Twice x minus 10. This side 8 into x minus 10. Okay. Then 75 into 2, 150x minus 750, and this side 8x square minus 80x. Clear? This one you will get what? 8x x minus 10. You can directly write, no need to write this. Okay. Then 8x square minus 80x, bring this to that side, it will be minus 150x plus 750 equal to 0. Then 8x square minus 230x plus 750 equal to 0. Now you see, you can take 2 or I think 4. If you take common, then it will be more easier, isn't it? Or you can directly factorize this one. It is up to you. So 75 into 8 will be 0, 4, 7 into 56, this one. Okay. This 0 is for, since it is 750. So 6000. And you need to break this one, split this one, 230. How you will do? 200 into 30. 6 and 3 zeros. Clear? So 8x square minus 200x minus 30x plus 750 equal to 0. From here you take 8 as common, 8x. So it will be x minus 25. Inside it will be x minus 25, and this side you take 30 as common, x minus 25. 25 into 3 is 75 and this 0. Okay. Then 8x minus 30 and x minus 25 equal to 0. Therefore, x will be either equal to 25 or x will be equal to 30 by 8, which is 30 by 8. Okay. How we got this? 8x minus 30 equal to 0. X will be equal to 30 by 8. So, 30 by 8 is 324, then 6 point here 0, then 756, then again 405, 3.75. So 3.75. Now if we put here this one is 3.75 x hour. You can directly write that, therefore the time taken by the smaller pipe is 3.75 hours. But here you see, when you put 3.75 minus 10, it will be a negative number, minus 6.25 hour, which is not possible because time cannot be negative. So we have to write in this way. So you write down like that: time taken by larger pipe equal to x minus 10, which is 3.75 minus 10, which will be a negative number, and time cannot be negative, therefore we have to take that 25 one. That means time taken by the larger pipe or tap is equal to 25 minus 10, which is 15 hours. At last you write down, therefore time taken by the larger tap is 15 hours and time taken by the smaller tap is 25 hours. Hope it is clear now. Now students, this is a homework for you. You have to do it and write the answers on the comment section. Thank you.